Obofour hweme ene de yema okwa ba kese pa e de ba KSTV so say KSTV for ya catch yourself monye de mon subscribe to page no na mon like na mon share na bibi be de e beto form social media no so ye de bebem Obofour ma munim say nan say mo ye mame Agradaa prophet evangelist ne ho ba asema ye jeli no 15 years what I say na court ne lawyers no e de cases ne enam ha enura nde ya enura o kopie mu Amasaman court. What I say, Amasaman High Court na insem bi course Obofour na unhu ye mame Agradaa pa wo se prison for totally white na wo se ni nose mask wo boduku white Obofour me catch up Agradaa so say hey we do some few days here kwhwe ye mame no ye mame so at wo giri se zontori ni nyama no odi wo prison ho no Obofour enye easy na hwe nipa abompe e wo Amasaman police station Amasaman court ho no Amasaman court on nipa bomb pimpana ahwefo mamefuo bi super to say nyamedwuma de sa na ye friend say obobo edifo ni bia ye de court da prisons ni cells ni adade ni njire Obofour me pese mekansem na lawyers no you know ye busa lawyers ni say cancel me pato cancel mu ni bibia kana cancel ni twim. Oh, cancel, uni be kana cancel na twem say cancel ni is speechless. Cancel ni is speechless. Obofour nim yenko Amasaman court yenko tie insema judges no e kan wo court concerning appeal na Agradaa lawyers no kwa appeal na omanje appeal na ntumo. Omanje appeal na ntum na be hu amanfo esu mame bi hu so crutch se na moto mame ni ochale. Obofour yenko hwembla. Make sure so subscribe to KSTV. Na near better for more ye mame Agradaa issue ni ye de bebrem any other trending stories across social media no say bebem this your man DJ Smith keep on watching what KSTV ye kon go program number is here.
Hey Moko to my dear. Okay. Cancel. Where are you,
Cancel. Cancel.
No, let the video go.
Ya não corria muito fácil.
Ya bem não.
Mama Agradaa, Obeba. Hey, Namie Juma no ayete. like Kanyami Jumano, when you like Kanyami Jumano. Honestly, last year, don't go to a fiat, saying I'm here to my vampire. She does have got to a fiat, saying I'm here to my let's go my part, Mama part, I'm going to fiat. Mama part, what's your plan on so cool and baby? I'm never can stop. Come on, sit. Mama, Baba. Mama, you're Joseph. Why, you're Joseph, and I'm here to my if you are this or Baba, one come, or Baba. What you just say? I didn't know Baba.
Hey.
Okay, you take a number.
What happened today at Amasaman Upholds?
Oh, we wanted bail pending the appeal, and the court did not grant it. That's all I can say for now. But we still pursue Yes, where we all know where she is currently. So that is where she's been taken to.
Okay. So what's the next line of action?
We are going to appeal. We will continue the process. That's all.
All right. Thank you.
Oh, now you pay bill pending appeal. And then you should. But court no ungranted. Now court no so I'm order say second court unfinished court with all needed processes so that we can straight away do the appeal. That is what we are seeking to do, and that is the main thing.
Okay, yeah, can say appeal no, we dismiss it, but bill no,
court are dismissing, but appeal no, you be court na ya.
See what we confirm is you never know this on prison. Send your expectation. So the next court appearance in the
we will give you the proper date because the court has given an order.
Okay.
Say second court judge on your friends. They should finish the court. All the necessary.
Okay. So date for next appearance in Yamba.
You will know it in the course of time.
Right.
Now, or transfer the answer. Empress Beauty.
My young honum, you do honum say yakasa.
All right.
Okay. Thank you.
And Agradaa, Omoba San come money bill. Would the court a year, you know, would you too much?
Mini court yard. Me. Shastamo community court yard.
My best.
Bako mini court yard ne say. Agradaa hu samba nyenne. Ba Ghana mpanifo ka ma not to omo nkasa. Omo ni mra. Ama Agradaa yusu obi e na dwemu na ho. Obi e na dwemu so a, obi e na dwemu mieye. Ade pa ni mfaso. Akache Ghana nyina say yewo sika gale. Every nyame ye na body okasa sika gale wa na body emu. Asofo mpanifo ye for bishop doctors apostles omo ha omo nim de ordinary person enim di knowledge nyame de ma yen adu Agradaa is saying a treasure your kingdom of darkness. You are here, and we assume. Share among your member of knowledge about who they are called.
It's a process of modern family. What do you say? Process of
and you touch your mammy
15 years in Israel.
Swap Namiasam Janyamiasam Sumracasay Namiasam. I Namu to be so cool, but the 2 years and the pansa, San Fantin until Obi Yabone, not a man penny for. Entment centena na obi isu obi the pelin faswa aye bone ya hini am yesum
we judge and kahina o de
me ya judge maka se one man nya mframa
eye ho asem na okay
Agradaa asem na mkan man nya mframa nya me soma nya me de ma anyi woni sanka bi afise wo isu ordinary and nya mfaso nti ya hini am yesum knowledge anya me de ma aye no obi die wani si yen de die no animu no Agradaa yusu sa de nde afa nfa so je bone
wajiji amanfo sika
ajiji amanfo sika wakache wi Ghana ho nyina se o sika gale na me ya abodi wanka se sika gale o na abodi mu na sam odi ma wi ase wanka se sika gale o no ho ma odi jaye wanka se sika gale o nti Ghana panfo ntie mi no mu nsie ma de
your friends are appeal no go through a very disappointed so omo granting the bill
me baby am panfo Jesus see an me nyina ho bi but actually ebia nyame dem am na panfo de nti bi nim panfo kan enko kan de me menye panfo be ye
yani ya pese ya ti ase se sani e wo kan no nti e ba se court agranti ni bill wo be disappointed ana
oh panfo nyame am o knowledge am di hwehwe nsemu
okay
ti me nya disappointed panfo tu na mo a but e panfo bon kokko omo manu kan se number ya onko use obi ani knowledge isa on fa mpa nyemfa so no on fa nipa bebre nko osumu nkaji emfi nipa bebre nsa
nti wo de wasem nyina ne se che se asotwe akwa ne de sakra
isa ofise wa dan bebre adwene akosumu dan bebre gidie akosumu
se nyameduma nso no wo yo
Israel nyankopon minim nyansanse no nasam sika galeni ne hohom ankasa sika gale wo nyame wankasa ne hohom e sika gale nasam masika gale wankasa asem
ati ase na e beda wase
Nel Ghanaians, it is wrong for this country. The leaders have learned.
But what do you think about the court denying her appeal?
That is the right thing. That the right thing the court do. The woman has to
deny her appeal?
Yes.
Do you think the 15-year jail term is fair?
It's supposed to be more than 15 years. Because he has used ordinary Ghanaian for his benefit. He used ordinary Ghanaian for his benefit. For his progress.
Do you have evidence?
But we hear what is going in this country.
All right.
We hear what is going in this country.
Thank you. Thank you.